You know, in times of heartache, in times of unfathomable pain, the people on this peninsula show up.
They sure do. We saw it after the murder of Delmar Police Corporal Keith Hecook, and we're seeing it now after the murder of Wicomico County Corporal Glenn Hilliard. And in true Delmarva fashion, we're only just getting started to ensure that the families of our fallen heroes now and know they are not in it alone.
Yeah. Now, we would like to introduce to you the president of the Wheels That Heal Car Club. This is Steve Mixter. Steve, thanks for joining us today.
Well, you're welcome, Jimmy. Thank you for having me.
So, yeah, obviously in a perfect world, we would have absolutely no need for what your group does, but it's not like that.
It isn't like that.
Tell us what your group does.
Our group was founded 20 years ago on the premise of helping local families and local charities. And we've been doing that now for the last 20 years. We've raised over $220,000 for those local families and charities. And this Saturday, we're going to raise some more money. This is going to the Hilliard Memorial Fund. What we do every month out there, which is called a cruise-in, where we just have a lot of cars come out and we donate to a charity. And we thought we'd do that for him. We will have at least 500 cars out there.
Oh my goodness.
But we also have a live auction going. The live auction will start at $100 or values of $100 and up. And we have a silent auction. And that silent auction has over 50 items of $100 and less.
So it's snowballed, it's mushroomed. What does doing something like this mean to the families?
Well, you know, honestly, I have not talked to the family yet. I hope to do that this week. I'm sure they will appreciate what we're doing, and we do. We're honored to do it for them.
And it's happening this Saturday, so if folks want to go to it, what do they need to know?
We will be out at the old Kmart Shopping Center. That's the way most people know it, but it's Shoppers World. And we will be starting at 3 o'clock, and we will be ending at around 7 o'clock. And again, during that time, we will be taking donations. We have 3 DJs playing. We have a stage where they will do the auctions. We have vendors. And we're just going to have a big, good time, and we're going to raise some money.
Oh, my goodness.
So make sure you are there.
Yes.
President of the Wheels That Heal Car Club, Steve Mixter, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.